Okay, I'm doing a PA on New Zealand USD. So in the weekend, I checked the correlation to be New Zealand -3 and $5. So I'm actually looking to sell New Zealand dollar this week. Overall, it's a downtrend with high cluster of volume over here, but it resolved to the downside. So it's not really a concern right now. And yesterday's New York session price came with a refresh. Initially, I wasn't keen to sell this. However, the the volume in the 5 minute makes it interesting. So as you can see that this is the 1 hour refresh. It came back down. This primary to test this trap level, and it came back and broke the trade level. So it actually is the underside of this trap level, and it came with high volume, and it resolved downwards. So I actually took a sell over here, and until the bottom of this level with a 1.43 hours trade. I'll say this trade is done quite good, well, I think. However, in the next day London session, price came back up again and broke this level. So it's actually a higher time frame refresh right now, and I see that the price is actually slowing down in the London session as it came back up, come down, then it didn't make any didn't make a significant high. So I was actually thinking to anticipate the primary and sell. So in the 5 minute, you can see that the last buyer tried, and it broke. They got trapped over here, and I put a stop. I entered the position and put a stop over here. However, in hindsight, that you can see, first of all, anticipating the primary is risky, and secondly, you can see that the volume at the bottom over here is high. So this might be a warning that this anticipation might not work out. So price hit my stop loss and got took out of this trade. And so what can I learn from this is that first of all, it's dangerous, risky to anticipate primary. Secondly is that if the volume is, when anticipating the primary, I think you need to double check that whether there's a high volume against you. And trade management wise, maybe I can just get out of this trade when price came out so strongly against me, so that I won't take the whole full 1 hour loss. Yeah, that's about it.